Now, as part of the pre-survey question, some of you have asked me about, to provide a step-by-step detail. This workshop is primarily meant for those who have not used Mendeley before. So the first time users के लिए a particular workshop. So it will be, you can follow with me. I will strongly suggest you, whenever I'm demonstrating something, please do at your end as well. I've given 2 files as examples, which Mr. Mohit would have circulated across to you. I will be making use of those when I build the library. So this is for the first time user. About installation of Mendeley Word plugin and all, this was shared with everyone. Is there anybody who has not received this information? आपको मिला नहीं है क्या ये information? So you can go to my Mendeley site. What I can do is I can keep giving you this information as well on the chat box. So you can make your, so I can send you a chat, right? How do I do that? I can send a chat message, right?
Yeah, please, sir. You can send it chat message, sir.
कहाँ पर है ये रहा chat? Okay.
Chat है sir, ऊपर से.
Okay, किसी ने बोला हिंदी में भी बात करने के लिए. Okay. Okay, this is the website where you can find a lot of information related to Mendeley. I will give you a specific one for those who asked for the installation guide, and you can make use of this for a step-by-step installation of Mendeley. Okay, ये आपको पहले मिल चुका होगा, but I'm just giving it to you again so that you have this information. Okay. Then, so moving on further, the next question was, is it used in social sciences, especially subjects in political science and international relation? If yes, then how? To give an example. Now, let me tell you this. Mendeley can be used in various domains. If I look in today about the participants' profile, I can see that you are from various domains, some from yoga, teaching, music, medicine, marketing, library, law, home science, higher education, economics, Department of Education, geography, Hindi, commerce, computer science. सबके लिए use हो सकता है. It is not for a specific domain. That's the advantage of it. So follow the steps. It is exactly the same whether I use it in social sciences, political sciences, marketing, literature, or any other domain. Okay. मैं Zotero के बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं बात करूँगा क्योंकि the focus today is on Mendeley. So I don't know who asked for this, but we will go through what Mendeley is. I normally don't do these kind of comparisons because each tool has got its own advantage. I use multiple tools. I've been using it for a long time, so I can talk a lot about it, but I don't think that's the objective of the session today.